Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of generating income through AI-powered music production tools. How to create your own music and song using AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. Segment 1. Beatbot AI, AI Music Composer. Our journey begins with Beatbot AI, an exceptional platform tailored for those eager to AI music generator free, without the need for any prior musical production know-how. Beatbot AI leverages the power of artificial intelligence to craft mesmerizing beats and instrumentals, effectively streamlining the creative process and saving you valuable time and effort. And what's more, its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to all. Furthermore, Beatbot AI allows you to craft top-tier music swiftly, all without sacrificing quality. You have the power to tailor the beat to your specific preferences, effortlessly adjusting the tempo, key, and style. The icing on the cake is that Beatbot AI seamlessly integrates with the majority of music production software, ensuring a harmonious addition to your existing workflow. Now, let's walk through how to use it. Step 1. Begin by visiting the Beatbot AI website and creating your account. Step 2. After successfully logging in, proceed to select the music genre of your choice and fine-tune the tempo, key, and style to your liking. Step 3. With your preferences set, Beatbot AI will work its magic and generate a customized beat for you. But the creative control doesn't end there. You can further refine the beat by adjusting instrument volumes, adding or removing instruments, and more. Step 4. Once you've achieved the perfect beat for your project, it's time to seal the deal. Simply download your creation and seamlessly incorporate it into your preferred music production software. Segment 2. Boomi AI. Now, let's explore Boomi AI, an AI-driven music producer that empowers you to craft original compositions effortlessly. Boomi AI stands out thanks to its employment of cutting-edge machine learning algorithms designed to comprehend your musical preferences and generate tracks that align seamlessly with your unique style. All you need to do is offer some fundamental insights into your musical tastes, and Boomi AI takes it from there. With a wide spectrum of genres at your disposal, spanning from pop to rock, hip-hop, and beyond, Boomi AI grants you the flexibility to explore various musical realms. Additionally, this innovative tool allows you to infuse vocals into your creations, further elevating your music-making experience. Step 1. To kick off your musical journey with Boomi AI, start by visiting their official website and completing the straightforward account sign-up process. Step 2. Share your musical inclinations with Boomi AI by specifying your preferred genre and mood, allowing the AI to understand your creative vision. Step 3. With your preferences in hand, Boomi AI will work its magic and craft a unique track tailored precisely to your desires. Step 4. Unleash your creativity by adding vocals, fine-tuning the tempo, adjusting the key, and more to truly make the track your own. Step 5. Once you're content with your creation, take the final step by downloading it and seamlessly integrating it into your music production software. If you want to watch how to make bulk 30 YouTube shorts in 1 hour using AI for free, click on left. If you want to watch free AI tools for YouTuber and AI content generator for YouTube automation video, click on right. Thank you for tuning in. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.